VB.NET 2019, Getting Started to Using Image Viewer CP Pro SDK ActiveX for View PDF, TIF, Image Files. You need download Image Viewer CP Pro SDK ActiveX from http://www.viscomsoft.com/products/image6urcp pro.
After you installed Image Viewer CP Pro SDK ActiveX, create a new project, select Visual Basic Windows Forms app. Right-click mouse button. Drag the Image Viewer CP Pro SDK ActiveX on form. Set file name property to load the image. Set view property to change the different zoom factor. Image Viewer CP Pro SDK ActiveX has selection rectangle and auto zoom feature. The following is the main features of Image Viewer CP Pro SDK ActiveX. 1. Support view PDF, TIF, RAW images, and popular image formats. 2. Support save as PDF, BMP, GIF, ICO, JP2, JPC, JPEG, PCX, PGX, PNG, PNM, RAS, TGA, TIF, WBMP format. 3. Support zoom in, zoom out, panning, auto zoom in, auto scrolling when drawing selection rectangle. 4. Optional add barcode reader, barcode writer, OCR, DICOM, PDF edit plugin.
Thank you for watching our tutorial. Please go to www.viscomsoft.com, download more.